it is.
Steep, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's going to work on car classes later.
Well, thank God you can't actually get to the top, because that's a hell of a hike.
I'm wondering why we can't get to the top. It's not like we're feeling like we want to get to the top today, but...
Get to the top and look down.
Any coconut in there?
No.
In the Caribbean they use a lot of like Scotch bonnet.
Looks good. So this is Eric, one of the fellow guys at the hostel. Now, right now we are in La Fortuna, right?
Fortuna,
Yeah, La
yes.
Fortuna. My Espanol is shit, but we're getting better. We're getting a little bit better. And we found out yesterday that all the tours for the area, because there's a hot springs, waterfalls, and the volcano hike, everyone offers tours and they're really expensive. They're like $70, the first offer. And then they drop down to $50.
Yeah.
And so we found out that renting a car is actually the cheapest way to do it. It only costs $50 and you have the car for 24 hours. So, since it's so expensive to go through tour companies, we just got a group of 9 of us. And we're gonna rent a couple cars and do it ourselves. Oh, and another thing, the food. Because you guys cooked at the hostel last night as well.
Yeah.
The restaurants here are expensive. Even alcohol, we were checking out to see if they had happy hour prices.
Yeah.
They're on par with the prices in Canada and the United States.
Yeah.
Like $6 for a beer, it's ridiculous.
Yeah.
So all we did was go to the market and cook our own food.
One supermarket that looks more flashy, and we asked that at that place, like, do you have a, where does the locals go and buy food?
Yes,
And they told us a few blocks in further
Yeah.
away.
like here.
And then you find really,
Yeah, like this is a proper market right here. That's where you find the cheap food. Way better than doing the tours. It was like $15 per person. We have our own set of wheels.
She said, like, you want to go to
Awesome tunes on the radio.
And I said,
And we're heading up there.
That's not helpful.
Yeah, a lot better than paying $50 for a guided tour.
That you see a jaguar right now, what will you do?
Get in the car.
I would let you handle it, because you've been training on what to do. So what do you do? What do you do if we see a jaguar?
It's not what I would like to do, it's what actually I will do, and I will just freak out and paralyze and stay there in the moment.
No, if it was going to attack you, jump out that you wouldn't see it coming, it would just all of a sudden happen.
Pounce on you?
Yeah.
I would try and pet it like a kitty.
Oh, that
Nice
would
kitty.
work.
No gato.
Okay.
Okay, $15 to get into the park. And between all of us renting the cars, we're in for $30 a person. It's still cheaper than the tours.
It's nice over here. There's a really good view.
Yeah. Wow. Lake behind us, and volcano in front of us.
Oh shit, yeah.
Oh, this is nice. Good viewpoint, little lunch, sitting on volcanic rock.
That is one big ass tree.
I think. Cool. And we got caught in the rain. They brought ponchos, I didn't. Rainy season. How's the water? Bueno? Okay, yeah, I gotta jump in.
Oh, lightning.
Lightning storm to the south. That's a good day, man. Good day. Good day.
All right.
Bam.
La Fortuna. Pura vida.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. Beautiful.
Oh.
Pura vida. I do sound like a gringo, I know. Okay, say it once more.
Okay, this is the gringo way.
My way, which is pura vida.
Pura vida. Y pura vida.
Pura vida.
Pura vida. Si dices pura vida, es que no se puede.
Okay, I'm gonna work on my Spanish either way. Thanks. Thank you. Thanks, Tammy. Thank you. English, Espanol lessons. See? Okay. That's a good day.